Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. Yes, I'm here at the Mika Motorcycle Auction, classic motorcycle auction, largest in the world here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let's get walking, see what we can find. You're welcome to join me and point out anything you like. All right everyone, let's get going.
$1,000, do that $100, you want to give $1,000 bid, $1,000, 500, 700, $500 bid, $700, do $500, $700, $1,000 bid, now 70 back to the $1,000 bid, do now 700, gonna be $1,000, $1,000, 700 bid, give $1,000 bid, 70 bid, 1,000, anybody else, $100, $700, 800, 800, you get $1,000. 1250, $1,000, 1250, $1,000, 12 and a half, they do 1,000, 1250, we have $1,000 down, 12 and a half, $100 down, 1250. $12,000 internet.
Offering lot G103, 2011 OSA TR280i, sold on a bill of sale, not for public road use, no reserve.
Divide, $100 on the chair, $100 give $1,000 for this one. Give $1,000, where he said, $100 divided by 1,000, 1,500, $1,000 bed, $100 negative 1,550, we're C. Give $1,000 bed, 1,500 divided by 1,000, 12 and a half, give $1,000 a bed, 1250, negative $1,000, 12 and a half, give $1,000, 1250, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500, 15 a bed, 1,500 down, 1,500, 17 and a half, 15 negative 17 and $2,000, $2,000, 17 and a half, $100 negative $2,000, 1750, $2,000 out of bed, $100 negative 2, give 2, $100 $2,000, so $1,750. Jared.
Offering lot G104, 2011 OSA TR280i, no reserve.
Divide, $100, give $1,000, 12 and a half, $1,000, but 1250, 15, 1,500, 15 negative $1,500, 17 and a half, 15, 1750, 15 negative 17 and a half, $1,500, 1750, 1,500, 17 and a half, 15 to bid. Here now, 1,750 bid down to 15, 17 and a half. Anybody else? 15 to bid, 1,750, 1,500, 17 and a half, $100 down to 1,750. So $1,500 internet, 1,500.
Offering lot G105, 2009 Moto Guzzi V7 Classic, no reserve.
No reserve. Negative 100, sure, get $5,000, get 5, get 3, get 2, get $2,000 bid. $8,500, $8,500, $8,500, $500 bid, $100 bid, anybody else? Sold $8,000, $8,000 more.
Up next, lot G107, 1980 Honda Express, offered at Cruiser.
You buy Honda here to give $1,000 bid. Give $1,000, get $500, $500, $700, $500,
I like the way that, my next door neighbor is building. There's that area.
Well, that brings the end of another episode here at Gearhead, man. You guys gotta let me know in the comments what you think. If you have a favorite bike, if you saw something you used to own, something you want to own, if you collect classic motorcycles, leave your comments. I respond to everyone. I'm interested to see what my viewers think of about this auction. Give us a like, give us a share. If you're not a subscriber, that's crazy if you're not, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you never miss a new episode. Alright everyone, see you next episode. Thanks for watching, thanks for being a subscriber. Oh, we're getting very close to 20,000 subscribers, and I'm going to celebrate that. Keep an eye out for that, and definitely smash that subscribe button. Alright everyone, thank you. See you next episode.